Look at this. I mean, done?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, hello dear learners. It's my first lecture or class on spoken English, basically. Not for you, this is the regular class we have it. Saturdays were not occurred because you were somewhere else and you told me you are out from Mumbai.
Yes.
Okay, no problem. So today's lecture is based on few things, very important things. And first of all, I'll let you know, I want to talk to my YouTube family. Good evening, all of you, and hello, dear learners. After more than 5 or 6 days, I'm just recording my lecture. And sorry for this gap, because sometimes you feel there is nothing to do that, and the body is not let you do something. That is why मैं आया नहीं lecture record करने के लिए. And you know the extreme hot conditions are going on right now in June month, so you can see this thing as well. And in which room I record this lecture, this room is very hot. As you can see, the sweat is coming. So every moment I feel the hotness of this weather. And as you know that the lights are also gives that kind of heat. So today's for all my YouTube family and my channel, this is first lecture for you. Few things I want to let you know. This is, first of all, we will learn let, but today we will learn few things very important. जो चीज़ आज मैं पढ़ाने जा रहा हूँ वो बहुत important है. And that is basically used when we speak past things. And you see that what we use. The first word could have, second word could have, should have, sorry, third word would have. Okay. Have you ever learned about this? No. 1, 2, and 3. Sometimes we use must have. It's also been used. ये भी use किया जाता है. Clear? That the Hindi version of this particular, इसका हिंदी होगा सकते थे, चाहिए था, and the last one is not last, second last, ऐसा हो जाता, and जरूर चाहिए था. So these are the 4 sentences we used to use. हम लोग इसको यूज किया करते आ रहे हैं बेसिकली. और ये इतने इम्पोर्टेंट हैं स्पोकन में कि ये हमेशा ही काम आएंगे. और इसके बारे में तो मेरे ख्याल में बच्चों को ज़्यादा जानकारी ही नहीं है. डू यू नो अबाउट दिस? ऐसा हो जाता
हिंदी.
यस, हिंदी.
अगर कुछ ऐसा हो जाता तो मैं अगली क्लास में पास हो जाता.
यस, इसकी बात सही
अगर
है.
कुछ ऐसा मतलब अगर मैंने पढ़ लिया होता तो मेरे मैथ में नंबर अच्छे आते.
वेरी गुड. सो वी विल स्टार्ट विद कुड हैव. सकते थे, ये हमारी बेसिकली ऐसी कोई चीज जो हम पास्ट में करते थे, पास्ट में कर सकते थे, पास्ट में कर सकते थे. पर किया नहीं. Note down this sentence. दैट मीन्स स्पोकन की जो क्लास होती है उसमें बेसिकली ये इम्पोर्टेंट एस्पेक्ट है. Now look at this and just use your brain or mind and use the understanding. How many times we use these words and then you see the sentences. Now we will have two examples. तुम मुझे फोन कर सकते थे. ध्यान से देखो इसको और समझो. ये हिंदी वाला जो मैंने पार्ट लिखा है वो यहाँ से है, ठीक. बट होता क्या है कि अब यहाँ तक तो आपको चीजें मालूम चल गई, बट अभी तक आपको ये नहीं मालूम चला ये बेसिकली हैं क्या. ये हेल्पिंग वर्ब हैं या ये मेन वर्ब हैं. इसकी जरूरत भी नहीं है हेल्पिंग वर्ब और मेन वर्ब जानने के. आपको तो इंग्लिश बोलना सीखना है. तो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट. नाउ व्हाट इज रिक्वायर्ड. अब रिक्वायर्ड क्या है, इनके साथ में हम वर्ब कौन सी लगाएंगे. ऑलवेज यूज V3. We will use V3. अभी तो क्लियरिटी आ गई. One by one we will discuss with maximum examples and with the understanding. Two things must be clear. आपकी जो दो चीजें बिल्कुल क्लियर क्लीन होनी चाहिए कि एक तो मैं अंडरस्टैंडिंग पे बात कर रहा हूं, ठीक, कि चीजों को कैसे हम प्रैक्टिकल वे में यूज करना है. Suppose you had written the text on WhatsApp. Sir, I forgot to let you know. है ना, भूल गए. तो that moment I could have said that कि at least you could have messaged me, informed me, text me. तो मुझे टेक्स्ट कर सकते थे, तो मुझे फोन कर सकते थे. That means हम इस चीज को समझने के लिए हमको ये चीजें जो जब मुंह से हम डिलीवर करते हैं, the deliverance at the time of deliverance from your mouth, that should be very important. Because हमको ये याद नहीं रहता कि हम ये सेंटेंस बोल रहे हैं. Because the coordination of your mind and tongue, between the tongue and mind, वो टूटा हुआ है. अब जब ये चीजें एकदम दिमाग में सेट हो जाएंगी तो आपका बोलना स्टार्ट हो जाएगा. ऑटोमेटिक कनेक्टिविटी बनेगी. And in you have 12 hours because 12 hours are worthless. ये जो 12 घंटे हैं ये worthless है. 6 hours sleep and 6 hours for our daily routine. Other work. But you have 12 hours. At least you speak and write and see whatever you see and write and speak. You speak in English in 12 hours. If you can do that. You are living in any that kind of part of India where no one knows what is English, where you can easily speak it, or where if you see somewhere you are working with that multinational company, you are also able to speak. I will teach you how to get the encounter with interview. वो भी मैं सिखाऊंगा. उसके लिए कुछ नहीं, बट इनिशियल चीजें आपको समझनी है. अब इस सेंटेंस का ट्रांसलेशन करके देखो. सीधे ट्रांसलेशन
You could have called me.
So note it down. Just go. Call. But the word you have to use call. Yeah, call. Yes, you call.
You could have called me.
Yes, you used call, but you have to use call up.
Call up.
इसका मतलब ही होता है फोन करना. Now you make it.
You could have called up me.
You could have
Called me up. Called me up.
yeah. You could have called me. Now we also have to focus on the pronunciation of these words. इनके pronunciation पर भी हमको focus करना है. So see the pronunciation.
Could have.
Could have नहीं. You have to use could have.
Could have.
This is. आप इसको अलग नहीं.
Should have.
Should have. Should have.
Could
Because
have. Should have.
we have to speak like Americans.
Yes.
We are not giving you this type of typical British language. You have to speak fast. Basically. Start this slow, then after you can go fast.
Yes.
Clear?
Would have. Must have.
ये एक साथ बोलना है.
Must have. Must have.
Every खाना है.
Must have.
Must have. With the third one.
Yes.
पहले पढ़ा था.
नहीं.
ये पढ़ा. Really?
Yes sir.
अच्छा. Very easy. अपन ने भी नहीं पढ़ा. सही है. मैंने भी पढ़ा. But when I got this, I keep on thinking. When we use should have, could have, and the pronunciation, look at this. Could have,
Could have.
should have.
Should
You
have.
should have. You should have done that. You could have gone there. You could have called me. You would have. You would have.
You would have.
If you are able to speak, you may. If you are not able to speak these words, exact pronunciation, no problem. Speak with whatever the written matter is. You could have gone there. You could have completed this work. This is suppose you are teaching your student. That moment you can speak that. I had given you the homework, you could have done that. But you haven't completed that. One thing else. When we start speaking, हम सभी लोग जो करते हैं. You are the person. And you started speaking.
Yes sir.
You never think which sentence or which tense will come. आप ये नहीं सोच के बोलते हो कि मैं पास्ट में ही बोलूंगा या प्रेजेंट में बोलूंगा. ये तो नहीं होता है ना.
नहीं.
As per the situation we speak.
Yes sir.
जैसे मैं आपको पढ़ा रहा हूँ तो मैं इसके अकॉर्डिंग ही तो बात करूंगा. मेरे पास प्रेजेंट भी हो सकता है, मेरे पास पास्ट भी हो सकता है, मेरे पास मॉडर्न वर्ड भी हो सकता है। तो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट द garland of all the vocab as well as grammar as well as the model verb, everything we use it as per the situation. ये सोच के सोचोगे कि नहीं सर जो है हम जब भी कहीं जाएंगे हम केवल इसी परफेक्ट टेंस को यूज करके काम चलाएंगे। नो, नेवर नॉट। अभी हमारी स्पीड स्लो है, लेकिन जैसे जैसे हम as soon as we will go forward we will start speaking as well as we will start getting all the things easily. जब चीजें सब मालूम चल जाएंगी तो इजीली आपको मालूम आ जाएगा। तो ये चीजें तो अभी इनिशियल स्टेज पर could have, should have, would have, must have. ये इंग्लिश मूवी देखते समय भी आपको समझ में आ जाएगा। वो आई एम जब बोलते हैं तो वो आम बोल खत्म कर देते हैं, वही खत्म हो गया, वो शुरू नहीं हुआ, वो खत्म हो गया। गानों में सुनिए वो क्या करते हैं, माइकल जैक्सन को सुनो कभी नहीं मालूम चल पाया क्या बोल गया। उसका कौन सा एक बीट है, वो नंबर है, वो याद नहीं आ रहा। I have given her compassion, my compassion, I have given everything. Just beat it, yeah, just beat it. Just beat it. ये इसकी फर्स्ट डेरिवेशन, just beat it. मैं यहाँ पे बेटा रखा है, वो छोटा स्पीकर है, बजाऊंगा, सुनाऊंगा बाद में। वो भी मेरी क्लास में होगा, वो भी एक्टिविटी कराऊंगा, मैं लिरिक्स समझाऊंगा कैसे पकड़ना, ठीक। तो फर्स्ट सेंटेंस आई हैड गिवन यू, दैट इज तुम मुझे फोन कर सकते थे। नाउ नोट डाउन सेकंड सेंटेंस। आई एम गिविंग यू टू सेंटेंसेस। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल नोट डाउन।
मिनट का हो गया 15 इस पे